Turmeric, overall health positive aspects selection from cancer prevention to pounds reduction. The active ingredient in it can be curcumin, which has positive aspects linked to cancer remedies. It's been used as being a spice for hundreds of years and was originally applied like a dye in India. In this video are some of the gains. 1. Blood sugar and cholesterol. Turmeric during the diet regime has long been tested to reduce both blood sugar and cholesterol. Turmeric in fact breaks down cholesterol within the human body at a speedier pace compared to the human body that can do that alone. Blood sugar rises when the physique converts carbohydrates into sugar. It blocks the enzymes which carry out this action, hence reducing blood sugar to a certain degree. 2. Weight. Turmeric is made up of curcumin, which is linked to a lower in gallstones. With less obstructions towards the release of bile in the method, digestion from the foods we eat is more possible to benefit our bodies. Bile breaks down dietary weight within our program, therefore an increase in bile creation might be handy in body weight loss. 3. Prevents cancer. Some analysis has proven that curcumin, the main lively ingredient which can avoid cancer resulting in enzymes from forming in the human body. It's also been revealed to slow the spread of cancer cells in mice. Particularly, turmeric may be experienced as an advantage for the treatment of tumors while in the mouth, esophagus, skin, belly, and breasts. It's also been proven to assist in the prevention of childhood leukemia. 4. Arthritis. Turmeric may be a highly effective anti-inflammatory and continues to be utilized for hundreds of years for your therapy of pain from the joints. It might also support in the cure of other inflammations, this sort of as sprains and strains, swelling, and in some cases surgical incisions. 5. Digestive problems. Turmeric well-being gains involve relief from several digestive issues typical in today's society. Irritable bowel syndrome is on the rise, and taking a day-by-day dose of it in capsule type can offer a measure of relief. It could possibly also help with colitis and Crohn's disorder. And eventually, it's been utilized as a cure for parasites and bacteria during the digestive tract.
Do you have any tips we might have left out? If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and subscribe, like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to check out our #1 recommended products in the description below.